Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Conscious Connections. Today's video is specially crafted for all the parents who are feeling overwhelmed due to the numerous responsibilities that we take on ourselves. And a feeling of overwhelm can be very tricky as we don't really get to know what is it that makes us feel so sick about everything. Hence, I am going to share with you those signs which you really need to watch out for. If you're new here, hi, I'm Dr. Anjum Sabha. I'm an educator and a conscious parenting and relationship coach. And being a parent is definitely not an easy task and it can get to be very challenging sometimes. And for this very reason, I am on a mission to help parents to evolve and heal their childhood wounds to establish lasting relationships with their children and loved ones by awakening consciousness. As a parenting coach, I have come across so many parents who are feeling overwhelmed and are on a brink of burnout. This is a real issue. And for this very same reason, I'm going to share with you those 5 signs which you really need to watch out for that indicates you are feeling overwhelmed. And as a sequel to this video, I will be sharing with you tips as how you can handle and manage this feeling of overwhelm and come out of it in my coming week. Let's get going. The first sign that you need to watch out for is if you are constantly getting stressed. As parents, especially mothers who take up the role of primary caregivers in most of the families, may be experiencing stress in a lot many ways than we really expect. And if you are a working woman, it just adds to the platter of responsibilities that you have taken up on yourself. This stress can be manifested in physical ways where you might be clenching your jaws and holding them really tight. Just notice if there is something like this happening with you where you are constantly clenching your teeth and holding the jaws. You may also feel some unusual pains in your body, aches in your body, like you might experience some stiff shoulders, some very heavy shoulders, and you may also feel a strained neck. So all of this indicates that you are being stressed because we as human beings, we tend to store stress in various parts of the bodies and it might result in these aches and pains. Well, there is a possibility that it could also be due to something else, but more commonly it's been associated with stress. And if you are also experiencing like headaches, tummy aches and some kind of irritable bowels, then it indicates that you are under a lot of stress and you are entering into a survival mode. So just watch out for these signs because your body starts indicating that you need to refuel yourself. You are not fueling in enough required care or you are not able to provide some space during your work hours and you're constantly stressed. You definitely need some support to navigate through the responsibilities that you have taken up on yourself. So in case if you are experiencing all of this, ask yourself, well, is this just physical or is it psychosomatic? Because the body starts signaling it out to us and we really need to be aware of these signs for our well-being. And the next signal that we really need to watch out is if we are constantly getting triggered. Well, I mean triggered, a lot of trigger happens most of the times and it is more than usual. So you are entering into a fight, flight or a freeze kind of a mode. This is where you start screaming, shouting at your children, punishing them, getting agitated for the smallest of things. You are getting angry and also behaving in a manner which you really don't. So you need to watch out if you are getting triggered more often than not, and for all those things which you probably had more of patience earlier and now you are kind of losing it out. You can also feel some kind of changes in your body where you are sweating a lot, your heart starts pumping faster, feeling of being flushed, so things like that. It's why I'm sharing all of these signs is so that you get an awareness about it and you start really working out on all of these things if you are experiencing. This would help you understand in a better way that yes, this is a feeling of overwhelmed and I really need to do something about this to bring about a change. The third sign which we need to watch out is negative self-talk. Are you indulging in a lot of negative self-talk? If yes, then this could be a clear indication that you are feeling overwhelmed. Negative self-talk usually stems from our childhood experiences, or it could be a pattern which you have developed. This voice can become more louder as we start feeling overwhelmed. Basically, it's that little chatter in our mind which tells us that you're not good enough, you are never capable of doing anything right, you can never finish things on time. So it's that little chatter in our mind which is like, constantly making us feel like a failure. This can become very dramatic as we are playing this tape constantly in our mind and telling ourselves that we are failing, we are letting our family members down, or probably we are not able to help our child in a manner that's expected out of us. So this makes us feel very anxious, depressed, and even hopeless. This negative self-talk is not because we are failing, but because we are feeling overwhelmed where we are on a brink of burnout. This will also not help you to think straight and to fix things. And it could also be because you do not have enough resources where you are not able to fuel yourself to feel energetic and to keep moving. The next sign, the fourth sign that we really need to watch out is lack of focus. You might start feeling disinterested even in doing your routine chores. Feeling of exhaustion, lack of concentration, or increased apathy could be indicating that you are feeling overwhelmed. You might want to isolate yourself from others and you are no more motivated in doing things that you loved doing the most. So basically, watching out these signs for our well-being is really important. If not, it gets to be really late where we start realizing instead of helping us, it is actually fueling our burnout. So watch out these signs and see how we can help ourselves out of all of these feelings, uncomfortable feelings, a feeling of overwhelmed, where I'm going to talk more about these signs or these tips which is going to help you come out of this feeling of overwhelmed in my next video. The fifth important sign for us to watch out is if we are emotionally drained. We might start feeling drained of these positive emotions like feeling happy, feeling a sense of joy, being loved, showing gratitude, or being thankful for all the things that we are blessed with. These positive emotions can get hijacked by negative emotions like sadness, regret, guilt, fear. So we basically stop liking everything that's happening around us. We don't feel good about anything. We might start isolating ourselves and may even stop taking care of ourselves. Well, because of all of this, we might also have or experience disturbed sleep patterns, and we may also want to give up on relationship that matters us the most. So basically, these behaviors, they hinder our ability to think rationally, which makes it all the more difficult for us to deal with overwhelm. And if left unchecked, it could lead to various physical health issues which we have discussed earlier, where we start feeling unexperienced pain or even develop fatigue. Due to increased stress, it leads to increased negative emotions, which might reduce our body's ability to fight with diseases and also compromise on our immune system. If you're feeling any of this, first of all, I want to send you a big hug to let you know that I'm sending a lot of positive vibes to help you feel supported, because I have been there many times. And also, this feeling of overwhelmed could be due to various reasons. Our partner may be away, or we might be bringing a new baby into our family, or we may not have enough people around us to take care and support us, or it could also be due to that you are trying to balance your financial requirements or anything that rocks our life out of the normalcy and puts us into the survival mode. Well, yes, if left unchecked, it leads to burnout. And that's why it's so important for me that you start noticing these signals so that you don't feel burnout or feel like crashing. And it is very easier to feel burnout than ever before due to the pandemic and the various ways we have been trying to cope with our environment. Well, thank you for watching this video. Hit that subscribe button and also give me a thumbs up if you have liked this video. and do share it with someone where you feel it is necessary for that person who is going through this challenging phase in their life. Well, frankly, who isn't? So if you want to lean on a shoulder or discuss more, you can DM me on my Facebook and Insta handles, for which the links have been provided in the description below. Until we meet next, take care. Happy parenting.